Excuse me. Hey YouTube, I'm back. It's Avery. Sorry I haven't been making any nature videos. I was in the hospital for a week. My seizures were pretty bad, and then yesterday at where I live, there was a really bad fire, so I had to deal with that. My house is okay, but then building across is not. So right now I'm at Bluff Point. This is what it looks like. It's pretty nice here. So, sorry, I went for a long walk, so I'm out of breath. Anyway, so I hope you guys can hear me speaking loud enough. It's been a crazy week. So I had to get zen and get back into my nature. This place is beautiful. Look at this rock. It's a panoramic view. I told my husband about this place, so we're gonna probably come here and go fishing and swimming with the kids and riding bikes. I'm gonna edit this. Seriously gonna edit this. It was a big tree, sorry. This is my nature walk today. I am sweating, as you can probably see. I love it. It may sound crazy to people, but this is my God. This is my church. Nature is my church. Because obviously God created nature. So if I'm talking about Him or thinking about Him when I'm in nature, I'm in church. So people might think it's like hippie and crazy, but it's not. Okay. I was trying to focus. So, YouTube, I'm going to cut you off because I'm almost at where I need to be. And I'll see you in my next nature walk. I don't know when it's going to be. My schedule was going to be film on Mondays, post everything on Tuesdays, but with my seizure stuff, kind of crazy, so I'll post when I can. But you guys, make sure you like up this video. Make sure you tell me what more nature places you want to see. I am going to do some beauty videos because, like I said, I do makeup on the side. So, oh, look at those. Those are awesome. Little trees are awesome. I think they're called pussy willows, I think. So anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. Thumbs up the video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye, YouTube.